Today is Friday, November 25th, 2022. It is the day after Thanksgiving, which means it is the first official day of Christmas in the Crump household. Now, I have waited very patiently all fall for this moment. I have suffered through the pumpkin spice lattes, the pumpkin patching, the fall festivals. I even resisted the urge not to wear a Christmas sweater to yesterday's Thanksgiving dinner. But that all ends today. Today kicks off carols blasting in my home, lights galore. We're baking our hearts out. We're baking things we've never even heard of. We're enjoying the Christmas season. And I'm excited. I hope you are too. With that in mind, let's start decorating.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
So this is a 7.5-foot festive pine LED pre-lit tree from Home Depot. It's made by Home Accents Holiday, and we got it on sale for $99. And I'm actually really happy with it. It looks good. It fits this corner really well. It sits right in front of the window, so it's gonna be great for when we drive past it or pull into the driveway. I prefer live trees, but we decided to go fake this time, go with the fake tree, and I'm actually really pleased with the results. I like knowing that now we've made this investment and we won't have to go searching around for Christmas trees, and it's already pre-lit, so that's one less hassle I have to worry about. I don't have to worry about pine needles falling onto the floor. I don't have to worry about watering our tree. So this is a pretty good investment. I'll link the one that we purchased down below.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Last Christmas, I was pregnant with Coy, and so I went ahead and I got his stocking, and so this year I get to put it up on the mantle. This is exciting about it.
Lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
I'm gonna get this one, and we can change the days until Christmas. And then I kind of want this nutcracker right here. This nutcracker has a little drum and a 50% off. You like this one?
Yeah.
Let's find some arts and crafts for you to do for Christmas. There you go.
Now we can paint this. Look, Santa. We can put it downstairs. And the fairy.
Look, you know how we have the welcome sign at the front door? Come look at this one. What if we get this one? It says Happy Holidays, and I can paint it.
Yeah.
I think that would be great.
Yeah, it would. Okay, this open. Look.
That says how many sleeps till Christmas?
Maybe 1, 2, 3.
my dining room, and this is the least decorated room in my home. For now, I am considering a DIY project in the near future. I'm thinking of doing an accent wall over here. So make sure you are subscribed and you tune in after the holidays where I tackle this wall and I try something that I've never done before. I'm a little nervous about it, but I think I'm talented enough to get it done. Anyway, so even though this is the last room in the house that I really hadn't worked on decorating, we still eat here every single night. This is where we have all of our meals, home cooked meals and takeout. We eat it here at the table. So I want to do just a little tiny something to celebrate the holidays. So I stopped at my local Hobby Lobby and I got a table runner and some chargers. Gotta go plastic because we have kiddos. And then also, while I was at Sam's Club, I stumbled across this Christmas arrangement. So this is a poinsettia, polka dot plant, spider plant, and English ivy. So I thought that was beautiful. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean off the table, put a little elbow grease in it, clean it up. I'm going to trim back this plant because even though it's trailing beautifully, I don't need it trailing on the table where we eat. I'm gonna lay out this table runner and the chargers, keep it minimal, but it's still festive, and I think it's gonna look great. Okay, so the table is set. Now, I thought this was a table runner and not a tablecloth. I don't know why I would think that because the packaging clearly says tablecloth. Nonetheless, I don't think that I like that. However, it's not terrible. Worst case scenario though, I don't like it. Okay, worst case scenario though, I could always cut it in half and hem that edge up and make it a table runner if it bothers me. Now, the only reason I really don't like tablecloths is because you see the extra length here on the sides. We're always gonna be pulling and tugging on it when we sit down, and pulls and it moves, and I don't really like that. I could tape it up under the table, but I don't really wanna do that either. Worst case scenario, I'll just cut it and make it into a table runner. Now, what the table is missing, I need some Christmas plates. So if you have Christmas plates, definitely comment down below. Let me know where you got them from. They don't have to be plastic. They can be glass because Kai does eat off of her own little colorful plastic plates. But yeah, now I could be extravagant and do the beautiful glasses and napkin rings and something incredibly ornate. But like I said, we eat here every night. And I need it to be practical for our needs. I don't need to show off. I just want to feel festive and enjoy the moment, but still practical because we're here every night and I don't want to have to do a whole bunch of accommodations for dinner. But yeah, Christmas plates, and I think that I'm good. I might get a little trinket here or there, maybe a nutcracker or Santa Claus or something, and a little candle, maybe like a Fraser for a candle. And I think that we're good. I think I'll be happy with that. This tablecloth is gonna drive me nuts. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna see how it goes. So, off to the arts and crafts now. I have a few arts and crafts projects to wrap up this year's decorating. So Kai and I found these wooden crafts at Michael's for half off. It's a happy holiday sign that's gonna go outside our front door, and a nutcracker. I was originally gonna put this nutcracker on the mantle, but I've decided to put it on the dining table instead. And I also have some wooden ornaments that we're going to put on the Christmas tree. Now it's bedtime, the kids are already down, so I'm gonna take care of the nutcracker and the wooden sign. I'm gonna save the ornaments for Kai. I want her to be involved, I want her to have a little fun. So her and I are gonna decorate these ornaments with some paint and glitter tomorrow after school. And so I'm gonna wrap up these two tonight. Now I'm going to use acrylic paint for the nutcracker and the sign, and then probably use spray paint for the ornaments. So let's get started.
Christmas in my heart.